Hello student. In previous lecture, we saw a new lesson that is growth and personality development. In this, we saw a point that is the skill and efficiency. How the child grow their skill and efficiency on a different part of the life. Okay, that the skill of skipping rope, writing essay, swimming, telling story, climbing the trees. So these type of skills that child develop uh, and efficiency also. Well, another thing about the development of efficiency and skill is the skill of learning. If the baby develop learning skill, he will be become a very smart and he can remain into the competitions while studying. So, in the process of the development of child, the different skills he acquire and different efficient attitude he develop in that child. While developing, the baby does something again and again, and this process of doing one thing again and again, he develop a strength in that things, uh, so he can learn to do that things without any mistake. This is called as efficiency. Okay, now we will the next point that we will saw is the heredity. So what is heredity? Heredity is the thing that is comes by one generation to another generation. The skill or the knowledge also hereditarily transfer from one generation to the next generation. Uh, Here is the concept we should read it. How tall does one grow? You know that our height grows till we are about 18-year old. Think of people you know where are 18 or older. Of these people, how many are very much taller and shorter than their parents? Our look, our build, and other physical characteristics are like those of our parents. People of one family shows similarities in many ways. Some of our features or traits are like those of our grandparents and our parents' sibling. That is why sometimes the people who know them recognize us even if they have never met us before. Being born with a certain features or a traits in a common with the member of our family is a heredity. These are inherent traits. Our even though, however, even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over which traits we will inherit and which will not. So here is an examples of the choosing good personality. There is a story or experiment that an industrialist had worked hard to expand his business. He had three assistants. He conducted an experiment to decide whom he make the head of his factory after he is retired. He gave a 5 lakh rupees to each of them and told them to do whatever they thought best with the money. After a year, he called them, asked them to report how they had used the money. The first assistants I have kept said that I have kept the money into the safe. I cannot fall into anyone's hand, and I can bring it back to you whenever you say. The second assistant said, this year I doubled the amount of yearly bonus I give our workers, and I also gave them all feast. All the workers were very happy. I think I used the money really well. The third assistant says that with the part of money you gave, I bought a better machine. So, our productions grew fivefold. Our product is also of a better quality and demand for it has also grown. We made a profit of 25 lakh in just about 8 months. So I used 10 lakh to build a canteen that the worker needed, and I have a 5 lakh in the workers welfare fund. I think I shall use the remaining 10 lakh to buy more machines. You can easily we can easily guess who are the industrialists chose as his successor. For better personal development, we inherit the ability to learn many skills. The growing age is the time to recognize these abilities and develop our skill. Developing our skills helps us to live an independent and useful and enriching life. So, the good a good diet. So, a diet also has a part of the personality development, better personal development. That is, we know that the food is necessary for growth. However, in a certain circumstances, the growing child does not get the various food constituents in adequate proportion. This leads to malnutrition, affecting the growth of that child. For example, a person does not grow as tall as they would have been. Even if such a person get a good diet later on, it is of no use for the growth of the body. Other factors that supports the growth and development, along with the nutritious food, adequate exercise is also necessary for growth and development. Lack of exercise also affect the growth adversely. One must also be careful to study well, avoid addictions and their ill effect, develop hobbies, take part in a sports, and learn new skill. If we take care of to do all these, it leads to the good development. Whether boy or a girl, each person has every right to get the opportunity to make a progress and enrich their own life. So, for the better personality development, one must consume a good diet, because if he consume a good diet, he will get the essential nutrients and minerals in a right proportions to develop his body. So the developed and well shaped body gives a good looking personality. So the good, as the good diet Uh, there are other factors also which leads to growth and development. So exercise, daily exercise, and good habit, um, and good relations uh, of the friend and other communities around his, that leads to the development of a good personality. So every person or every child has its own personality or own surroundings. So, if we look into the class, that the some children are good in studies while the others are good in games or sports. Some sings well and like act in a play. Every person is a different from all others. Our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of the anyone else. Our personality develops through our interest and efforts. What we like to do and what we practice every day. During the growing year, we also learn to tell what is good and what is bad. Our personality can be said to be excellent and only when we put the good thought into the practice. So, in the growth and development, we will grow physically also, and we develop our skills and efficiency in a different part of working also. So, something that comes to the person or a personality is hereditary, through the hereditary. It develops the skills of making trade or doing well in agricultural work or physical work, uh, and the habit of reading also. We can say that we inherit the skill. If we inherit some skill through heredity, we have to give that skill in a proper shape. These shaping and repeating that skill, that persons develop easily in because of that good heredity. Other thing is the what is the factor in the personal development. The other factor is the other factor is, which is a good diet. A good diet leads to the development of the body in a proper manner. So one person must develop the habit of consuming good and nutritious food, so he will develop his physics in a effective manner or a proper manner. The good looking persons are welcomes everywhere. So every person's need to practice a good habit in a daily routine and avoid the bad habits of getting addictions with the smoking and other bad things. One must avoid that, which leads for the illness and the sickness of the persons. So we learn in these lessons that we must grow height and weight in a right from the birth till we reach adulthood. The newborn baby cannot do anything for itself. Uh, all the things are done for the baby by that baby's parents. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and others. We see similarities in the people of the same family. Even a person is a unique. Every person is the unique. The more the skill we learn, the less we depend upon other. We can live an independent and useful and enriched life the help of skill with the help of skill. So in these lessons we saw the major things which leads for the growth and development. Uh, so we must develop some capabilities from a childhood, so we becomes independent persons. We do not remain dependent on others. It leads to develop the different skills which are required to live, and it reduces the many obstacles in the life. Here, so student, here we complete these lessons, the growth and development. You have a homework that complete this exercise. If you find any difficulty while reading this lesson, you can call me on my personal number. Okay, so send me a photograph of the homework of this lesson, that is growth and personal development. Okay, thank you.